everyone, and welcome back. Today we complete our 22nd book of the 52 Weeks, 52 Books Challenge. And the book that I've read, completed, and made notes of this week, just for you, is Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. Now, this book is no doubt the best book on negotiation skills out of all the books that I've read so far. अगर आपको किसी भी व्यक्ति से, किसी भी इंसान से, किसी भी सिचुएशन में जीतना हो, नेगोशिएशन में जीतना हो, किसी से अपनी बात मनवानी हो या किसी से कुछ भी काम करवाना हो, be it with your kids, your spouse, your family and friends, your customers, your dealers, your vendors, be it negotiating your salary with an HR or probably discussing your appraisal with your boss. If you want to master the art of negotiation, then this is the book you must read without fail. वैसे मैं आपको बता दूं that the author of this book, Mr. Chris Voss, is an FBI veteran who has extensive experience in dealing with terrorists, negotiating high-profile kidnappings, and managing internationally critical escalations. Such कहूं तो I loved reading his experiences, his learnings, his journey, and the part that I loved the most was learning the techniques that he used to negotiate and win in highly critical, dangerous and hostile situations. तो अगर आप भी अपने अंदर किसी भी इंसान की सोच को, उसके थॉट्स को, उसके मेंटल स्टेट को या एक्शन को इन्फ्लुएंस या चेंज करने की स्किल बिल्ड करना चाहते हैं तो you must read this book without fail. So just in case if you wish to buy this book, I have pasted a link in the description given below. You simply need to click on the link and buy this book from Amazon. Now, if you are ready and if you are excited, let's quickly move on to our learnings from the book. So, according to this book, using questions, open-ended questions to be more precise, are the best way of controlling any conversation. The best part of using open-ended questions, however, is that it gives the opposite person an illusion of control. जैसे ये वाला question, how am I supposed to do that? नॉर्मली देखा जाए तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस सामने वाले इंसान को ये फील करवाते हैं कि कॉन्वर्सेशन या नेगोशिएशन का कंट्रोल उसके हाथ में है. Such a question simply provides an illusion of control to the other person, but it's actually the opposite. It is you who's controlling the negotiations. अब ये टेक्निक कैसे काम करती है ये समझने के लिए आपको इस बुक को पढ़ना बेहद ज्यादा जरूरी है. What I can tell you is this book will actually provide you with a long list of open-ended and calibrated questions that will help you control any negotiations in the most easiest of ways. Another important aspect of negotiation that this book teaches is to consciously shift our focus from what a person is asking for to why he or she is asking it. Once you clearly understand the emotion, the desire behind the demand of the opposite person in any negotiation, it becomes very easy to control, manipulate, or influence it. Now, moving on to the framing effect, this is that one technique that I personally implement in majority of my interactions, and let me tell you, it works like magic. Framing technique की मदद से आप किसी भी व्यक्ति के किसी भी ओपिनियन को या किसी भी चीज को देखने के नजरिए को चेंज कर सकते हैं. इस टेक्निक की असली पावर जानने के लिए कुछ समय पहले मैंने अपने स्टूडेंट्स पर इस टेक्निक का इस्तेमाल किया था. First, I asked them if they wanted me to repeat my training sessions by explaining them that it can help them to understand the concepts in a much better way. To this, 83% students replied yes and 17% students replied no. Then I changed the framing. Now, the second time I asked them, would they like to invest their time in learning and implementing new concepts या वही पुराने सेशंस पर अपना कीमती समय बर्बाद करना चाहेंगे? तो क्या हमें पुराने सेशंस दोबारा रिपीट करने चाहिए? To this, 92% students replied no and 8% students replied yes. Can you see the huge difference that it made? In the first case, 83% students wanted me to repeat the session. But after reframing the sentence, 92% students said, let's not repeat the session. Now that proves how powerful the framing technique is. The book also teaches us that the human brain is divided into two parts. System 1, the feeling wala brain. That's instinctive and emotional. And system 2, the thinking wala brain. That's logical and rational. Always remember, system 1 is more powerful than system 2. और अगर आप किसी के system 1 को कंट्रोल करना सीख जाते हैं तो उसके system 2 को कंट्रोल करना बहुत आसान हो जाता है. And this book will teach you how to control system 1 of any individual using multiple techniques. It will teach you techniques like mirroring, active listening, labeling, tactical empathy, acquisition audit, and most importantly, how to intelligently use the power of silence in any negotiation. किसी भी नेगोशिएशन को जीतने के लिए उसे कंट्रोल करना जरूरी है और किसी भी नेगोशिएशन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए इस रूल को हमेशा याद रखना. Talking fast and loud will make you appear out of control, but talking slow and clearly will always make you appear in control. Remember, to be able to control someone else's pace, you need to be able to control your pace first. Similarly, to be able to control someone else's emotion, you need to be able to first control your emotions. Next, this book will teach you a very specific type of mirroring. Mirroring by repeating the critical or the last 3 words of any sentence. इस टेक्निक का इस्तेमाल कर आप सामने वाले से वो सारी चीज बुलवा सकते हो जो वो बताना नहीं चाहता या बताने से हिचकिचा रहा है. Using this technique, you can uncover the real reason behind why someone is saying what they are saying. इस टेक्निक को गहराई से समझने के लिए you must read the book without fail. Then there are few more amazing techniques like labeling emotions and accusation audit, जो किसी भी negotiation में सामने वाले के negotiation power को पूरी तरह खत्म करने में आपकी मदद करते हैं. Similarly, there is one more magical technique of deliberate mislabeling, जो किसी भी negotiation में सामने वाले को अपनी असली सोच, अपने असली थॉट्स या ओपिनियंस को व्यक्त करने पे मजबूर कर देती हैं. Additionally, in this book you will find many such amazing techniques of negotiation like using deadlines, using the F word. अच्छा, यहाँ F से मेरा मतलब है fair. Using the fair word for negotiation, plus you will also learn how to use a range and how to use the technique of odd numbers to take complete control of any negotiation. Most importantly, in this book you will learn how to control any negotiation using calibrated questions. It won't just teach you but also give you a good long list of questions that you can use to control any negotiation. Moving forward, the book will teach you many rules and techniques that will help you win any negotiation in the most easiest ways. जिसमें से मेरी सबसे फेवरेट टेक्निक इज द एक्मैन मॉडल, जो बड़े ही लॉजिकल और कैलकुलेटिव तरीके से नंबर्स के इस्तेमाल से आपको सिखाती है कि कैसे किसी भी नेगोशिएशन को बड़े आसानी से कंट्रोल किया जा सकता है. Now those were just few of the many amazing learnings that this book has to offer. Trust me guys, if you want to become a master communicator, if you want to master the art of negotiation, if you want to build the ability to be able to influence anyone and everyone around you, you must read this book without fail. And just in case if you wish to buy this book, you can check out the link given in the description below. You simply need to click on the link and buy this book from Amazon. And remember to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos.